Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Instagram app crashing on iPhone/Android. If your Instagram app keeps on crashing on your phone, then don't worry, I'll be telling you some steps that you can fix the problem. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and then open your settings app and then search for iPhone storage. Then what you can do is scroll down and click on the app Instagram and then click on the offload app option. Next, this will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now if that also did not work, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram. Then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of your app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, problems like this also happen because of your weak internet connection. A weak connection can also cause the app to crash. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go to your phone system settings and check for software updates. Keep your device up to date, that helps run apps smoothly. And that's it. One of these steps should have helped you stop Instagram from caching your phone so you can get back to scrolling. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment on my video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys